everyone, my name is Floyd May. Welcome to my course, Getting Started with CircleCI and GitHub. I'm a software crafter with almost 20 years of experience architecting and building software systems in a wide variety of industries and technology stacks. I use both CircleCI and GitHub daily, and I'm very excited to share my experience and knowledge with you. Both CircleCI and GitHub are among the most popular DevOps tools available in the market. They complement each other very well, and this course will help you integrate them in a way that supercharges your team's ability to deliver high-quality software. In this course, we are going to cover the basics of CircleCI and how it integrates with GitHub. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include automatically triggering CircleCI builds from source code changes in GitHub, incorporating CircleCI builds into the GitHub Pull Request workflow, and designing complex CD pipelines with parallel jobs and manual approvals. By the end of this course, you'll be ready to use CircleCI and GitHub to automate your own CI and CD processes. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with managing source code in Git and GitHub, have a reasonable understanding of editing YAML files, and have a clear understanding of the command line utilities that you would use to automate builds and deploys for your own particular technology stack. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn CI and CD with CircleCI and GitHub with the Getting Started with CircleCI and GitHub course here at Pluralsight.